This section has two modules, movement and structure. Movement is a collection of the entirety of movements that you have made in the sum of your life thus far. And same with your students. Movement isn't just the 1 hour of time spent on the yoga mat. Movement is everything you do. In sport yoga, one of the outcomes is to guide your students towards the value of movement leadership. These classes are an opportunity to share movement ideas and knowledge to your students so they can begin to make decisions every day that are directed towards their own movement progression. The movement module explores these physiological concepts and breaks down the specific types of movement patterns commonly known. You can continue to learn how you move. The structure section contains the roadmap of the human body, the names and labels given to it. Remember, the human movement potential is far greater, more eclectic, and more beautiful than any word that is used to describe it. Allow your subconscious mind to take in all of this information. Learning these deeper movement concepts will be very beneficial to you, and move through it at a perfect pace for you. Take it in on a mental as well as a physical level, and kinesthetically explore the motions you are learning about for an even deeper absorption of the information. As always, have fun.